also make sure I destroy this building the most I can. Breaking the elevator. Heck yeah. Oh, alright. We'll grow up. I broke the elevator. Yeah, I think I just broke the elevator, actually. Huh.
How about you?
Don't worry about what I'm doing. Grow up.
Wait, what do you mean the elevator got well? I'm coming up the stairs.
Yeah, you wanna go inside? I broke the elevator.
Go.
Alright. Go.
No, wait.
Go, Joe.
After my second one's the one in the velocity, so that I can drive the car out, and then,
I got mine. Alright, let's see what's in here. Pipe bombs! I'm coming, Zibin. The mechanism's coming. Oh, you're going that one to grow up? Alright, I'm coming. The mechanism's here. Zibin, the mechanism's here.
Oh, I died. Wasn't this 8 years old?
We're gonna give this one a haircut.